I'm about to head downtown Raleigh to go celebrate the Hurricanes' big victory. Downtown Raleigh is insane. The parade is going off with a big hit. Well, the celebration for the Hurricanes was awesome. It was like at least 100,000, maybe even more. The place was packed downtown. Everybody was having fun. The city of Raleigh showed up, showed out for the Canes. A lot of support. And that's another thing checked off the old bucket list, going to a championship parade.